Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for real estate investors: how to get motivated seller leads step by step. Finding those truly motivated sellers is like discovering a gold mine. They're the ones who are ready to make a deal, often below market value, which can mean huge profits for you. Trust me, I've built my entire career on finding these deals, and today, I'm breaking down the exact steps you can take to do the same. No more waiting for the perfect property to magically appear on the MLS. We're taking control, being proactive, and building a pipeline of incredible investment opportunities. So, grab a pen and paper, buckle up, and let's get started. Before we dive into strategies, let's talk about why targeting motivated sellers is crucial in the first place. Now, a motivated seller is someone who is eager, and I mean really eager, to sell their property quickly. They might be facing foreclosure, going through a divorce, dealing with an inheritance, or maybe they need to relocate for a job. Whatever their reason, these situations often lead them to accept lower offers just to get the property off their hands. That's where you come in, ready to provide a solution. Remember, real estate investing is a win-win game. You're helping someone out of a tough situation while securing an amazing deal for yourself. Now let's talk about leveraging the power of the internet. Online platforms have completely changed the real estate game. Websites like Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com are great places to start your search. But here's the pro tip. Don't just look at the listings themselves, pay attention to the details. Look for properties that have been sitting on the market for a long time, have had multiple price reductions, or have keywords like motivated seller or bring offer in the description. And don't forget about social media. Facebook groups, local forums, even Craigslist can be gold mines for finding motivated sellers. You can join real estate investing groups in your area, connect with wholesalers, and even post about the types of properties you're looking for. One of the most powerful tools in any investor's arsenal is their network. Start by letting your friends, family, colleagues, even your dentist know that you're actively investing in real estate and that you're looking for properties. You never know who might have a lead on a motivated seller. Attend local real estate meetups, connect with other investors, and build relationships with real estate agents. Agents often come across motivated sellers, and having a good relationship with them can give you an inside track on these off-market deals. Remember, real estate is a people business, so get out there, build connections, and watch the leads come rolling in. Now, while we're on the topic of going old school, let's talk about direct mail campaigns. I know what you're thinking. Direct mail? In the age of the internet, trust me, it still works, especially when targeting motivated sellers. You can send out postcards or letters to homeowners in specific neighborhoods who might be facing financial difficulties or have owned their homes for a long time. The key here is to craft a compelling message that resonates with their situation. Offer them a fair cash offer, highlight your ability to close quickly, and make it clear that you're there to help them find a solution. Finally, let's talk about the most overlooked aspect of finding motivated sellers: follow-up. You can have the best strategies in the world, but if you're not following up with potential leads, you're leaving money on the table. When you reach out to a potential seller, whether it's through an online platform, a referral, or a direct mail campaign, don't expect an immediate response. People are busy, and sometimes it takes multiple touches to get their attention. So be persistent, follow up regularly, and don't be afraid to pick up the phone and have a conversation. Remember, building rapport and trust is essential in any real estate deal. So be patient, be persistent, and you'll be surprised at the results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate tips and strategies. Remember, finding motivated sellers takes effort, but the rewards are well worth it. By following these steps and staying consistent, you can build a pipeline of profitable real estate deals and achieve your investment goals. So get out there, take action, and I'll see you in the next video.